Need more space for your loot in LEGO Fortnite? Let's fix that now. You'll run out of space quick, so the best way to store more items is to build chests and storage furniture. Open your crafting menu and scroll to the Utility tab. Look for storage chests. You'll start with a small one, but better versions can be crafted with rarer materials. To craft them, gather materials like planks, granite, and wood. Place your chest near your base, and boom, you've got extra slots ready to go. You can opt to build medium chests with granite slabs instead of basic chests to give you 16 storage slots instead of just 10. You can even create closets and dressers to store clothes. Want to go big? Set up multiple chests with signs to label them like farming, weapons, or food. It'll save you time later. With just a little setup, you'll have a clean, efficient base and way more room for all that loot. Hit like if this helped, and sub for more quick LEGO Fortnite tips. Catch you in the next one!